Good morning and a very warm welcome. You're watching Times Now Live. My name is Amitav Vadva. So as far as our neighboring country Bangladesh is concerned and the crisis that has been taking place, of course, when it comes to the said impact as what's happening in India over this crisis that has now loomed large when it comes to Bangladesh, the scoop that we are getting from this all-party meeting that is being briefed by External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar. There are other union ministers also present in the meeting along with other leaders from the opposition, including Rahul Gandhi as well. Let's get you the briefing, what it is all about, the inside information, the scoop that is now coming in as the government is keeping when it comes to the opposition parties in the loop as well, to give them a first-hand information of what the measures that are being taken by the government of India over the crisis that is being faced by the neighboring country, Pakistan. So the External Affairs Minister has informed that Sheikh Hasina is still very much in India. All of the parties have been informed on the future strategy, the steps that the government of India will be taking. And of course, the government is trying to limit the fallout. And even when it comes to the opposition parties that have been briefed, the impact on the security that it may have, and also when it comes to the government's intent to take all the parties along with them. So this is all important as far as the all-party meeting that has been convened, of course, when it comes to the crisis in Bangladesh and its variable impact when it comes to in India as well. The borders that have been kept on a tight vigil. There has been, when it comes to all thousands of kilometers of borders that India shares with Pakistan, there has been a strict vigil that is also being kept there. Let me also go across to Rishabh now for a quick update, because we are picking up the inside pictures that are coming in of this all-party meeting, Rishabh, especially when it comes to the information that has been shared by the government of India. What is it all about as far as Bangladesh crisis is concerned?
Well, if we talk about this all-party meeting that has just gotten over inside the Parliament building on the first floor in Sangoshti chamber in the new Parliament, a meeting that was, attended by about 50 leaders from both opposition and government side. From the government side, we had External Affairs Minister who briefed all the ministers as well as other leaders from the opposition party, be it from Congress, TMC, DMK, RJD, Shiv Sena or others as well. There were very pointed questions from the opposition benches as well. Very clearly, Rahul Gandhi hinted at a foreign conspiracy, or for that matter, Pakistan and government of India through External Affairs Minister at the all-party meeting. This is what our sources suggest, told the opposition leaders that we are investigating into it. External Affairs Minister also informed that about 8,000 students have come back to India via land or air route in last 1 month, while around 12 to 13,000 Indian nationals are still there in Bangladesh. As of now, evacuation is not necessary, is what External Affairs Minister has informed at the all-party meeting. Apart from that, talking about the long-term and short-term program of Government of India and their interaction with Sheikh Hasina, External Affairs Minister very categorically said that we have left the future plans of Sheikh Hasina to her only, and we have given her space to decide for herself what she wants to do from here on, which third country she would choose for a political asylum. Remember, Sheikh Hasina landed in India around 5:30 last evening. Since then, she has been under tight security. Initially, she was at Hindon Air Base for quite some time. It was expected that she would leave post midnight around 1 a.m. for United Kingdom, but late last night the talks got stalled between the Sheikh Hasina's team and United Kingdom government, given that Sheikh Hasina was looking for a full security and full political asylum. That was not agreed upon, and that's the reason that those talks
what would be the next possible destination for Sheikh Hasina, as she still is camping in India. But of course, this is a brief and a temporary halt. The inside